Hey everybody, welcome to Johnny's Liquor Cabinet, your one-stop YouTube channel for all spirits, cocktails, and recipes. That's right, we're going to be doing that right here on this show that we have now going on YouTube. So we're going to be comparing a lot of the known spirits that are out there, let you know what the great alternatives are and which ones actually are just flat out a better choice because it tastes better, the bottle looks better, and the price is even better, which is amazing. So stay tuned, sign up with us, subscribe, and hit that little bell and all those other things that everybody asks you to do so you can get notified when our new recipes are coming out. As we have a lot going on. We're going to be doing a lot of features right now talking about South Padre Island and a lot of cool recipes and places to get them. And if they don't have them, you can ask them where are they at so they can start bringing them in for you guys. So stay tuned. All right, guys, welcome back. Today, we're going to start exploring South Padre Island and all the South Padre Island-inspired cocktails. We're going to show you today why Agavales Tequila is going to be a better choice over Patron and Don Julio. We're also going to show you why Polar Bear is going to be another better choice over Titos. And also, we've got another really good one. Coconuts. Everybody loves a good rum and coconut Coke. What's the other one? Turbo. Everybody loves those Pina Colada turbos on the island. So one that we're going to be talking about today is Kingston. So stay tuned while we go through all of these items for you guys. Be right back.